Hi everyone, my name is Olushola of Photos by Abyss, and I am also known as Abyss. I've been a photographer for over a decade, and this year I'm pleased to inform you all that I am releasing my first SkillShare class. Yes, and the SkillShare class is Wedding Photography and Portrait Editing, Beginner's Guide to Capturing Perfect Moments. This class is all about wedding photography for beginners, and I will take you through my editing process, raw conversion using Capture One or Lightroom, plugins I use in Photoshop, and how to retouch your wedding photos quick and deliver fast to your clients, and also how to deliver your photos to your clients. I'll be so happy to take your reviews and also answer your questions. The good thing about Skillshare is that Skillshare gives you, the student, the platform to ask us questions. Photography is fun, but the foundational skills is one thing you need to have. That's why I made this course for beginners out there to have a good foundation. The editing part takes you through step-by-step process how to work with your raw files and how to get the best out of your raw files using either Capture One or Lightroom. So go ahead, use my link below and watch the video. I'll be so happy to see you in class.